mimi hata sina kitu ya kuambia media, naambia hizi mbweha hii government ni ama mbweha tu.
The ruling is quite fair because the charge sheet itself was uncalled for because the dates were not matching the day when he was arrested. That means that is something that has just been cooked immediately, so that to impress the court that there is a charge sheet that has been produced before the court or before the judge himself. So they looked at it, and indeed the dates were not proper. At the same time, the allegations that it's defamation, it's not a defamation aspect of it. It was just but what we call character questioning. When you question a character of a person, doesn't mean that you are defaming them. So it was all miscellaneous, and that's why the court has thrown it out. They were suggesting 1 million bond, but it has gone down to 50,000, of which it has been sorted, and it's just a matter of minutes. Then we will see Morara Kebasa out.
Labda tu as we see tunaona kama kuna reaction, watu wanaanza kujijaa pale katika gate ya kuingia kotini. Labda wote maoni yako ni
wengi walikuwa wamezuiwa kando huko nje kwa sababu labda walikuwa wanaona kutakuwa na insecurity issues. That's why wakafungiwa, but we thank God that most of them are here now. We are a good number, and this just shows love and oneness, the unity that we have as Kenyans, and I'm happy. Like hata kama wameshow up late, at least wamekam. Yep.
TYD, before uondoke, kuna watu wanauliza usemi wako kuhusiana na chenye kinaendelea Mombasa.
Uko nje kupaje?
Ameshika
toke nje ama lakini shida